If you raise your own replacement heifers, you probably evaluate maternal traits in the catalog when you buy a bull. Let's take a look at some of those and how they are expressed. First on the list is calving ease. A cow who doesn't raise a calf is dead weight to your bottom line. Keep in mind that 50% of the genetics come from the dam, so the birth weight EPD for the bull is only half the story. The calving ease maternal EPD is also taken into consideration when PCC gives a star rating for the sale catalog. A bull with a 4-star rating is recommended safe for heifers, and a 5-star rated bull is guaranteed to work. The status quo beef industry does not acknowledge that calving ease is more than a genetic issue. It is a structural issue. They love the look of those cattle with high tail heads and a level hip. I dealt with this more completely in another video, but a proper hip angle is a huge part of calving ease and is one of the reasons for PCC's success in that area. Pharaoh Cattle Company sells more calving ease bulls than anyone in the industry. We also previously discussed the importance of longevity, an indication that a bull's mother and grandmother were fertile, easy keepers and have done everything right year after year. Here's one that may cause a stir, but what about the milk EPD? For many years, Kit Pharaoh has been the only one saying that milk is not a maternal trait. It is a growth trait. The fact is, a cow that produces more milk requires more groceries. Her calf will inherit that same appetite and require more feed to perform as well. If you're willing to look seriously at this, notice the correlation between the milk EPD and the dollar's energy EPD. An animal with higher milk will almost always have a lower energy EPD, many times significantly lower. Conversely, animals with less milk have much better energy EPDs. Here's some facts from Kit's 2013 newsletter. Research from the USDA station in Miles City, Montana, has shown that we can separate a calf from its dam and get the exact same gains with 15 to 20% less feed. What does that tell you about milk? Milk is very inefficient and expensive. Contrary to popular opinion, we do not raise calves on milk. We raise calves on grass and use milk as a bypass protein supplement. According to a study in Australia, more than 80% of a calf's ability to grow from birth to weaning is due to his genetic foraging ability. Less than 20% can be attributed to milk. Pharaoh Cattle Company has genetics designed for profitable, real-world ranching. This April, we'll be selling 440 bulls in Texas, Missouri, and Colorado. To get your spring catalog, call 800-311-0995. I'll see you next time on the Herd Quitter Minute.